Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have a domain and Blogger open, so start now by copying Blogger's exact CNAME entries into your domain DNS. You do this because Blogger needs proof of ownership and a pointer from your domain to Google's servers. Once you paste the host and destination CNAME into the registrar, save changes, and set TTL to a lower value like 3,600 seconds to speed propagation. Make sure you keep both the Blogger tab and DNS editor open for the next steps. Now you add the remaining DNS records. Enter the two CNAME Blogger gave you, and then create 4 records that point your bare domain to Google's IP addresses so visitors reach your site without www. You do this because browsers request both www and root domains. Records handle the root. Once done, double-check there are no extra dots or typos in host names. Make sure to save and allow time for DNS propagation before continuing to verification. Finish by entering your custom domain into Blogger's custom domain field and click Save. Blogger will verify the DNS records and claim the domain for your blog. Once verification succeeds, enable HTTPS in Blogger settings and enable the redirect from the root domain to the www site so all visitors use the secure address. If verification fails, wait for propagation, clear your DNS cache, or recheck that the CNAME host and target values exactly match Blogger's instructions. This is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.